Alright guys, this is feeding my bearded dragon. So I had to set the camera down for a second so I can get these crickets in here. But bear with me. He loves crickets. What bearded dragon doesn't though? Really? Get him. Get him. Sorry about the background noise, you guys. It's my mother screaming at the dogs. But, yeah, you guys, so, that was just a little feeding video of my bearded dragon. I still got some more crickets in here, but I'm going to try to save them until tomorrow because our pet store doesn't really keep them in too often. But, yeah, this is JJ. I picked him up about 3 or 4 weeks ago. He's definitely a character. What is it? Oh, what I was going to ask you guys. I don't know if you watched my other video with my Colombian red-tailed boa feeding, but this guy actually ate a few minnows last week. He ate like maybe one a day, but he seems to like them. It don't seem like it's compacting him or not or whatever, because, you know, he's been using the bathroom pretty well. But, I was just going to see, like, is there anything I'm unaware of that maybe I need to not feed him that, or will it do him harm, or what the deal is? Here comes one more cricket that's in there. Let's see if he's going to get him. Yep, there he goes. Say hey, JJ. Alright, guys. Well, I'll keep doing updates on him or whatever. Anyways, comment, like, subscribe, and please let me know about those minnows. Y'all have a great day.